Hello, my name is Frank Perini, and today I just wanted to talk about maintaining your PMP credential and how you can earn easy and free PDUs. So, if you've already completed your PMP certification, you've already learned that the certification has about a 3-year period of validity where you're in good standing with PMI, and then you need to recertify every 3 years. And the way that you do that is through accruing what's called a PDU. And PDUs are broken up into a couple of different categories, and there's some minimum requirements for maintaining your certification. And right now I'm on my dashboard, my personal dashboard, and you can see, when I earned my PMP back in 2015, my renewal date is 2021. I'm still in good standing, which is great. Of course, you don't want to lose your certification, and you get a reminder that you have, X number of days or years left until, you need to complete all your PDUs before that time, and confirm that with PMI so you can maintain your good standing. So I still have 28.75 PDUs left. And you can see PDUs are broken up into what's called a giving back category, and there's kind of some explanations here. And education. And education is broken up into some different skill sets: technical, leadership, strategic, and business. And you need at least 35 total for education to maintain your good standing. And out of the 35 total for education, you need at least a minimum of 8 in these categories. And you can see, based on the courses that I've done so far to date, I've checked these two, but I still need a couple more for strategic and business, which shouldn't be a problem because I still have 28.75 PDUs left to go. And of course you got to submit these and have them approved, and then that'll allow you to maintain your good standing. So where do you go to get PDUs? Well, I wanted to share with you I think it's the easiest way, and it's free, optionally free. You can also pay, but if you go to pmi.org, just the main website, and you click on Learning and Events, there's a Training and Development tab. And if you scroll down in there's a Webinars section. So let's click that. And that will jump over to this page where you can view all webinars. And of course, there's some other things, but let's just view all webinars. And that'll open up a new tab. And that jumps over to projectmanagement.com. Now, years ago, it seemed like projectmanagement.com and PMI, they weren't really connected like they are today, but now they're really integrated. And you can see that I can even log into projectmanagement.com. I'm going to want to log into it, and you can even log in with your PMI credentials. So I'm just going to log in with my PMI login, which is the same account in my case. So you can register for projectmanagement.com using your PMI credentials, kind of like you do with Google or that type of thing. So now I'm in the section where I can view all of the webinars that are available, and they're broken up by different certification types, easy to search. There's the talent triangle, right? Those skill sets: technical, leadership, strategic. So if you want to focus in on a specific one that you need, if you're just short strategic, you could click this and it'll highlight all of the videos that apply that would give you a PDU, or at least a portion of a PDU towards that skill set. Okay. But there's also an access tab here where you can sort by all the free content, and you can see that I viewed some of this content. So let's go into one that I've already viewed just for an example. So by clicking free, I'm looking at all the content that's available for free, and I'm looking for the content that has PDUs with a number. So this probably won't provide a PDU going through this course, but this one does. This one's free, and it gives you one PDU credit. So let's open that up. So here's the webinar, right, that you're going to want to watch. Then there's some info, but if you scroll down, you'll see the talent triangle alignment tab here. This is where it tells you what will completing this course do for you. So by watching this entire video from start to finish, you will get 0.25 technical, 0.5 leadership, and 0.25 strategic PDU credits towards your PMP certification, towards your next good standing certification. So, and it's really easy to do this. So what you would do is, I'm not going to do it, but you would start the video, watch it all the way to the end, and you'll get a notice that you can now close the video or something like that. And all you got to do is close the tab. You're done. And automatically, after a couple of days, those credits will be assigned because you've linked your PMI.org account together with your projectmanagement.com account. And you can see, like, here's some activity that I have. So on these dates, I watched these videos, right? And it was automatic. I didn't fill this in. The website automatically notifies PMI that I completed that task, and it gets automatically approved, and the PDUs get claimed and applied towards my certification. So it's a really easy process. We just have to go to PMI's website, view the webinars, and we can even sort by free webinars. So there's really no reason that anybody should lose their PMI, their PMP credential. There's really not a lot of cost. Now, if you are interested in specific topics, or if you see value in some other courses, it definitely makes sense to subscribe, and it definitely makes sense to maybe pay for some premium content. Of course, there's value in that. But what I wanted to share was that it's very easy and it's free to maintain your PMP credential. There's so many PDUs that are available out there for free. There's no reason that you should lose your credential. So I hope you found this valuable and useful. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. I'll be continuing to provide content to both PMP professionals as well as people trying to get certified, and also people just looking to improve the project and program management practice. So thanks for joining today, and I'll see you next time.